Hi, my name is Daniel Vespia. I live in Western Colorado. I first heard about Drone Command from a link someone sent me for a 3 hour presentation done by Diego and the boss. And the presentation was done such that it was kept my interest, and I knew I wanted to hear more. So I have enjoyed the presentation so far and am taking away the marketing aspects more so than drone operation is the key to success. I would recommend for anyone interested in starting a drone business. They've been presenting some information in advertising and marketing that's probably new to quite a few people. And the way Diego's been presenting it is interesting, keeps your attention, and looking forward to the next session. Yes, getting ready to start our second day at Drone Command Live. I would highly recommend this to anyone who is interested in starting a drone business. I would recommend that folks keep their mind open, follow along in the workbook, and try to pay attention and implement the concepts that they are imparting onto us. Before attending, I was looking to find the number and a variety of the vertical markets and various opportunities to utilize the drone. And they have covered quite a few, and I am also looking for more information on pricing of those various types of jobs, of which they've covered some, and some that I had not thought of before. But the information has been very valuable and informative, and would recommend it for anyone who's interested in the drone business.